Life gets busy. We all feel it. There are too many things to do, and not enough hours in the day. We forget appointments. We struggle to plan healthy meals. We spend hours on tasks that should be simple. This mental overload leads to stress and a feeling of being constantly behind. For years, I have searched for systems to optimize my life. I have looked for ways to free up time and mental energy. The goal has always been to focus on what truly matters. Recently, a new kind of system emerged, one that promised to be more powerful than any I had tried before. I decided to run an experiment. For 30 days, I would let artificial intelligence run my life. The idea might sound extreme. Many people hear AI and think of science fiction movies. They imagine complex robots or systems that are hard to understand. The reality is much simpler. AI is now accessible through tools on your phone and computer. To keep this experiment structured, I developed a simple method. I call it the Problem Tool Steps approach. It is a straightforward way to think about using AI. First, you identify a specific problem in your life. Be very clear about the pain point you want to solve. Vague goals lead to vague results. Choosing the right AI tool can feel overwhelming. There are thousands of options, and new ones appear every day. To cut through the noise, I developed a simple framework based on 4 key criteria. I call them the 4 pillars: safety, cost, ease of use, privacy. The first pillar is safety. This is non-negotiable. A safe AI tool comes from a reputable developer and is transparent about how it works. Next comes cost. Many powerful AI tools are available for free or have generous free tiers. Always start with the free version before committing any money. A tool must be intuitive. You should be able to get a useful result within minutes of using it for the first time. Equally important is privacy. You must understand what data the tool collects and never input highly sensitive information into a public AI chat tool. Use case 1. Plan your weekly meals effortlessly. The daily question of what's for dinner is a source of constant stress. You want to eat healthier and stop ordering expensive takeout, but have no time or energy to plan meals. A general-purpose AI chat assistant like ChatGPT can process varied instructions and generate customized plans in seconds. Start by listing your requirements and ask for both the plan and a consolidated shopping list. Use case 2. Automate your finances and save money. Managing personal finances can be a constant source of anxiety. It's easy to lose track of where your money is going and miss bill payments. An AI-powered finance app can provide clarity and control. These tools securely connect to your accounts, categorize spending, and send smart alerts to prevent late fees. Use case 3. Build a personalized learning plan. You want to learn a new skill, but the amount of information available online is overwhelming. You don't know where to start or how to structure your study time. An AI tutor can create a detailed, step-by-step study plan, break down complex topics into manageable lessons, and generate practice exercises to test your knowledge. Use case 4. Improve your writing for any occasion. Use case 5. End food waste with smart recipes. AI writing assistants analyze your text for clarity and tone, while AI recipe generators work backward from ingredients you already have, turning waste into creative meals. Use case 6. Plan your perfect trip in minutes. Use case 7. Master your time with an AI schedule. Travel planning consumes hours jumping between websites. AI travel planners consolidate research into coherent plans, suggesting flights, accommodations, and activities that match your preferences. Your days feel chaotic and unproductive. AI schedulers function as productivity coaches, creating logical schedules that block time for deep work and ensure progress on important tasks. Use case 8. Create custom images and GIFs instantly. Use case 9. Prepare for tough conversations. AI image generators turn text descriptions into unique visuals for presentations or GIFs. AI conversation coaches help you practice responses and build confidence for important discussions. Use case 10. Automate your home. AI-enabled platforms help create powerful routines that make your home work for you. Simple, if this then that automations save time and effort every single day. These 10 use cases are proven, practical applications that deliver immediate value by reducing decision fatigue and preserving your best energy for what truly matters. As you begin to integrate AI into your life, it is crucial to do so safely and responsibly. I have developed 5 golden rules for safe AI use. The first rule is to protect your sensitive information. Never paste highly personal data like social security numbers, bank details, or medical history into a public AI chat tool. Second, always verify the output. AI assistants can make mistakes or hallucinate false information. Think of AI-generated content as a first draft, not a final fact. Rules 3 through 5 involve cost control, maintaining your own backups, and starting with free tiers to determine value before committing financially. Your journey can begin today. Pick one single problem that resonates with you: stress of meal planning or anxiety of an upcoming interview. Choose just one. This week, commit 30 minutes to a free AI tool to tackle it. Follow the steps. Experiment with your prompts. See what happens. This small action builds momentum and replaces apprehension with experience. My 30-day experiment confirmed a simple but powerful truth. AI is no longer a futuristic concept, but a practical tool for modern life. It can serve as a capable assistant, ready to offload the mental clutter that consumes our daily energy. See AI not as a magical solution, but as a force multiplier for your intentions. The true benefit was not just hours saved, but reduction in decision fatigue. By delegating smaller decisions to AI, I preserved my best energy for work, relationships, and well-being. The 10 use cases are just a starting point. Real magic happens when you apply the Problem Tool Steps framework to your own challenges. Start small, stay curious, and discover how this assistant can help you build a more focused, intentional life, one small task at a time. The future is about being augmented by AI. Adopt curious experimentation and responsible use to unlock productivity and peace of mind.